Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? SM plus all, small. Change plus J, change. Small change. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene Wood. Hi, everyone, and welcome to our show. And please welcome back to the two Chris's, although the lady on the left prefers to be called Christine. She is Christine Quinlan. Delighted to have you here again.
I'm glad to be back.
Now, big game for you.
Yes,
big game. You got one strike against you. So work hard. Work hard. You could pick up some good prizes. Like this fellow. He's our returning champion. He has picked up $10,589 in prizes. Chris Gardner is his name.
Thank you.
Ready to do a job today?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
You have the strike against you. So this first game today is an important one for each of you. Take a look over here. Something great for your home.
Ashley's country-style dinette collection made of all wood construction and designed in a distinctive two-tone finish to add charm to any decor. Furnished by Ashley. Alex.
And where do we find the prize? We find that country dinette at number 1. Christine, you get to pick first in this one.
Okay, we're going to go right to number 7, please.
Oak wine rack.
Okay, how about looking for a match under number 18, please?
Red take, no match. Chris.
Let's take a look under number 25, please, Alex. Diamond and gold pin.
Yep.
And the match under number 20, please.
20? No. Christine, you get to select again.
Camera
By the way,
would be nice.
the holiday in this is a Bahamas cruise.
Oh, I love it. Let's go fishing for that cruise under number 13, please. Oh.
There you go.
Okay, how about a wild card under number 16?
There it is. All right. Things are starting to happen for Christine Quinlan. The other cruise, the Bahamas, is up there at number 3, and that means 3 panels are going to open for this young lady.
Behave yourself.
Looks like a cruise, he said. Christine says behave yourself. I don't understand that exchange, but select again, Christine.
Why don't we go for number 4, please?
Wild card again.
Okay. And why don't we look under number 18?
18 is a red take.
I'll take it. Protect my cruise.
Yes, the other red take on the board at number 22.
Okay.
Here you go. Do it, please. Go again.
Okay, how about number 11, please? And number 20 for the match.
35mm camera outfit, just like that. All right, Christine, take a look. Select again.
Okay, how about number 9, please?
Elegant brass trunks.
Okay, and the match under number 24, please.
Nope, green tape. Chris.
Let's take a look under number 14, please, Alex.
Electronic keyboard.
That would be nice. And the match possibly under number 5, please.
Green take. No match, Christine?
Okay, we saw that green take. Was it under number 8?
No.
No.
Diamond and gold pin.
How about number 25, please?
Diamond and gold pin is there.
Okay.
Prize for the young lady. Another look at the puzzle. Pick again.
Okay, how about number 2, please?
Country dinette.
Okay, and is that under number 12, please?
No. That's a dishwasher. Chris.
Oh, let's take a look under number 19, please.
Dishwasher.
And number 7, please.
Oh. No,
Okay.
Christine.
That was under number 2, please. The dishwasher.
No, it wasn't.
Oh, no, it wasn't.
Country dinette is there.
How about number 23, please?
That's it. Change your plans quickly. Electronic keyboard. A fast adjustment by Christine Quinlan, but it didn't pay off for her. Chris.
We're in the same boat here. Number 21, please.
Elegant brass trunks.
And number 9, please.
Yes, the elegant brass trunks are there. What will these two pieces of the puzzle do for Chris? Let's look.
Not much.
Okay, then select again.
Can we take a look at number 6, please?
Wild card.
Yes.
What are you going to pair it up with? That's the important question.
Let's take a look. Let's go for that number 5, please.
Number 5, the green take. The other green take at number 24. What you missed, ladies and gentlemen, as you were looking at the board, as was Chris, just before he made the selection, he had uncovered the wild card, and he looked over here at the red take, then he looked at Christine, then he looked back here and he says, diamond pin, camera outfit, Bahamas cruise, I'm going for a take. Will he use it now? That's the big question.
I would like to have the Bahamas cruise, please.
He will use it now. We have that question answered. She has the red take, of course, and if she gets control of the board, she can grab the Bahamas cruise back. That's what the strategy is all about here on Concentration. However, if Chris solves the puzzle right now, we won't see that take in action. Open the 3 panels for him. Christine is still alive, and so is Chris, because he is in control of the board right now. Make a match.
Number 17, please, Alex.
Lamp collection. I almost said a lawn collection. Boy, are my eyes going.
That.
Collection of lawns.
Number 10, please.
A lamp collection. Yeah, Christine. Some days it's just a little tougher than others, right?
Yep, sure is.
Open the 2 panels.
Is it George C. Scott?
Is it George C. Scott?
Yes.
And it is. You're good.
Thank you.
He's good, Christine. I'm sorry he had to defeat you in this one because you didn't have any prizes. Let's go to the board here, Chris.
Okay. Well, we have the J plus or plus J, George, and we have out the porthole is the C plus S plus cot, George C. Scott.
That was well done indeed. There wasn't enough really showing in the top line to give it to you. You figured it out, and that's the sign of a good champion. Well, Christine, I'm sorry. You're going to have to be content with the gift we have for you backstage.
That's okay. I had a lot of fun.
Wish it could be more, but goodbye.
Good luck, Chris.
Take care, Christine.
Okay.
Nice having you here. Chris.
Yes.
Let's see what you won. Gene, tell him.
A lamp collection. Classically styled floor and table lamps from Al Size Antique Brass Collection. Features include in-size decorative crystal fonts and ecru fabric pleated shades furnished by Alsi and elegant brass trunks. Rose Trunk Manufacturing Company's lovely collection of 3 lacquer-coated brass-plated steel trunks with brass nail head trim, featuring decorative interiors furnished by Rose Trunk Manufacturing Company and Cruise the Bahamas. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Miami. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you may enjoy Admiral Cruises' 4-night Bahama break cruise on the Emerald Seas. Visit Nassau, Coco Cay, and Freeport with great shopping, or relax on board with swimming, dancing, and beautiful sunsets. Furnished by Admiral Cruises, a prize package worth $5,054.
And you have won some fabulous trips. You've got San Francisco, you've got Mexico, and you've got the Bahamas. Boy, you're cruising.
All he needs a car now.
All you need is a car. Let's see if he can win a car after this. Come back, ladies and gentlemen. You're looking at a pretty good player when it comes to the matches. He's won over $15,000 in prizes. Now, I was going to talk about the fact that his sister is sitting up in the audience today, once again, hoping that he will win a car, but gosh, she's been there, it seems like forever, because he has been in the winner's circle, it seems like forever. Well, let's see if he can finally win a car and we can get rid of him. Here are the 15 numbered squares. Chris, you've got 1 minute and 5 seconds. That's 65 seconds. This is time enough for 2 marriages, 3, well, you figure it out. Go for it.
1, 2.
Nope.
4, 5.
Nope.
7, 8.
Nope.
10, 5.
No.
4, 11.
No.
13, 14.
No.
7, 15.
Nope.
4, 14.
Yes.
5, 13.
Nope.
11, 3.
No.
6, 7,
No.
9, 13,
No.
5, 15,
Yep.
6, 2,
No.
3, 11,
No.
9, 11,
Yep.
7, 13,
No.
10, 12,
No.
13, 1,
Yep.
10, 8,
No.
7, 12,
Yep.
6, 8.
If it's any consolation to you,
Yes.
Chris, if you make it to the winner's circle again, you will be only the second player in our 4.5-year history to have 70 seconds on the clock.
How did they do?
I think we took the player outside, we beat him within an inch of his life, and then he came back and won a car.
Okay, good.
All righty? But meanwhile, listen to this, $15,643 in prizes. That's terrific. Even LA is clapping on that one. We'll be back after this. These glasses belong to our next player. She may or may not use them.
Yes.
But let's welcome her. Her name is Jennifer Merrick.
Oh, this is funny.
And you're here at last.
Here at last, but I just can't believe I'm actually a game show contestant.
Where are you from? Where's that accent from?
Oh, I can't believe you asked me that. Rockford, Illinois.
It's good.
Yes.
You married? You live here now?
2 weeks engaged.
Well, you're supposed to, you're supposed to congratulate the groom and say good luck and much happiness to the young lady.
Well, thank
the
you.
bride-to-be. Isn't that the way it works? That's proper etiquette?
think-
Yeah. Okay, you ready to play?
Yes, I'm ready. I've been waiting since grade school. No, really, I have.
That's a long-
I've been picturing being a game show contestant since I was like in 2nd grade.
I hope you win more than a gas barbecue because that's a long way for a gas barbecue. Check this out. This is a nice
Okay.
prize.
Part of the Nancy Diamond Jewelry Design Collection, this elegant diamond bracelet is crafted in 14-karat gold and sparkles with 14 dazzling diamonds, making a bold and stylish fashion statement. Furnished by the Nancy Diamond Company. Alex.
And Jennifer and Chris, here's where you'll find the prize on the board, the diamond gold bracelet at number 8. Now, Jennifer, we've got the bonus seconds. We have the cash pot, and it's up to $900.
Ooh.
And we have a Palm Springs getaway for you.
that'd be great.
But we have just one wild card. Now, you're the newcomer, and I should caution you, newcomers tend to be a little excited and a little nervous. Don't let that affect you, all right?
He's got a lot of practice, hasn't he?
He has indeed, but he's got that one strike against him. And that means that he's going to be a little bit nervous also, because he knows that if he doesn't win this game, he's gone. And for a player to leave this show with 65 seconds, 70 seconds possibility on the clock, that would break his heart.
Yeah, it
And
would.
you can do it.
That's right.
Pick two
okay,
numbers.
we'll see what happens here. Okay, let's start with number 6.
Luggage,
Luggage. Okay, that would be nice. Number 19, please.
woman's apparel and shoes. Chris,
Okay, let's see what's under number 17, please.
luggage,
And number 6, please.
luggage. Good beginning. Do it quickly. Open it up. Pick again.
Number 1, please.
Woman's apparel and shoes.
Number 19, please.
Woman's apparel and shoes. Just like that, 4 boxes have opened up for Chris Gardner. Swing 'em. As the doors were opening, you folks at home missed it, but Jennifer zapped Chris, so he's probably not going to...
touched him and it was hot.
Ah. Oh, all right. Okay, go again, Chris.
Let's take a look under number 9, please.
Diamond and gold
And the
bracelet.
match under number 8, please.
Diamond and gold bracelet, 3 in a row. Jennifer has put her glasses on. She's getting serious.
Yeah, really.
Starting to worry, maybe. Open it up. Pick again.
Alex, let's take a look under number 20, please.
20 is a good number. Cash pot, $900.
And the match under number 16, please.
No, green take. Jennifer?
Now it's my turn, and let's see what's going on here. Okay, let's try number 11.
Pool table.
Pool table, that would be great. How about number 4?
No, designer sunglasses. Chris?
Let's take a look under number 23, please.
Mattress set.
And possibly the match under number 24, please.
Rowing machine, no match. Jennifer.
Okay, I don't think anything's been revealed here. Okay, let's do number 21.
Red take.
Red take, that'd be nice, wouldn't it? Oh, let's go with number 15.
Bonus seconds. Chris.
Oh, I would like that. Number 11, please.
Pool table.
Number 20, please.
Cash pot, no match.
Okay,
Jennifer.
now is that the cash pot we already saw? Let me think for a second. Okay, let's do number 14.
Wild card.
Oh. I'm going for the money. I'd like number 20, please.
20 for the cash pot.
Yeah,
the other cash pot.
$900.
At 22. 3 doors opening for Jennifer.
Yee.
Go again.
Oh, okay. All right, let's see. Number 16, please.
Green
Oh,
tape.
did we already see that? No, I don't know. How about number 3?
Designer sunglasses. Chris.
Number 4, please.
Designer
Number
sunglasses.
3, please.
There's a match. Another prize to go with the 3 already up there. Open these 2 panels.
Fear no evil.
Is it Fear No Evil? Unbelievable is right. He's good. He's an excellent player. Come on, Chris. You get to explain this.
Okay. Well, we have the F plus ear, fear, N plus ho plus Eve, plus the all, no evil, fear no evil.
Fear No Evil. All right. Jennifer, you've had your baptism of fire here on Concentration against Chris Gardner. Just 1 strike against you.
Yes,
you will play again. You may not wind up playing against him because he could very well win the car. 70 seconds on the clock. We will see you soon, Jennifer.
Okay, thank you.
Chris,
You gotta
more
get it,
prizes
Chris.
coming your way. It's going to be a big day for you. I promise. Gene.
Designer sunglasses, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select designer sunglasses or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise. And women's apparel and shoes. Cherokee, a choice of apparel and shoes for an unusual combination of fashion and comfort in junior, missy, petite, and women's sizes, furnished by Cherokee. And luggage, Ventura Collection, world-class luggage designed for fast packing, easy traveling, with easy glide wheels on the Pullman, furnished by Ventura. And of course, the beautiful diamond gold bracelet. Price is worth $2,380.
Now, Chris has just told me that in the rehearsal game, all of our contestants, prior to appearing on the air, get a chance to come up here and play in a rehearsal game, sort of get to feel comfortable in front of the lights and the cameras. In the rehearsal game, he won a car in 35 seconds. Now he's going to have twice that amount of time. He should win a car when we come back. I predict that Chris Gardner, our champion, who has had a few goes here in the winner's circle, will win the car. And he will do it, even though he has 1 minute, 10 seconds. He will do it in less than 3/4 of 1 minute. That is my prediction. His sister, L.A., reacts in a semi-positive manner. All right, thank you, L.A. You're going to get excited in a moment because he's going to win it. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you, Chris. Now, don't make me out to be a liar. 70 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2.
No.
4, 5.
No.
7, 8.
No.
10, 11.
No.
4, 11.
Right.
13, 14.
No.
5, 14.
No.
15. 8. 9. 10.
No.
7. 9.
Right.
6. 15.
Yes.
3. 8.
No.
5. 12.
No.
14. 13.
No.
10. 5.
Nope.
2. 14.
Yes.
1. 3. 12. 10. 8. 10, 12. 12.
Yep.
5. 13.
Yep.
10. 3.
Yep. Well, you made me out to be a liar, but you're a happy man. Here's L.A. Okay. Big win at last. 3 seconds to spare. He knew he could do it. Gene, tell him.
Chris, you've just won this Ford Festiva GL two-door coupe. Features a 1.3-liter electronically fuel-injected four-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and power steering. Furnished by Ford, a price worth over $8,800.
Chris, nicely done. It took you a long time, but you're going away. A big winner, $26,850.
Thank you very much.
3 fabulous vacations, some cash, car. We'll be back after this. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive the new Proctor Silex automatic iced tea and coffee maker. Gives you the convenience of having 2 appliances in one Proctor Silex. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
News is Chris won close to $27,000 in prizes. The bad news is that he took 67 seconds to win the car, so he won't be in our Tournament of Champions. We'll see you all tomorrow. So long, everyone.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.